Hi everyone, how are you doing? This video will be breaking down and recommending two very common and very easy picks for any portfolio. These will be two stocks you can buy and hold forever, mainly due to their dividend payment history, dividend growth history, and their strong financials. Please thumbs up the video and subscribe to the channel. This is my first time doing one of these pick this or pick that video series. Let me know if you like these general overviews or if you'd like a more in-depth stock analysis. The first choice is an easy and obvious one, TD Bank. If you saw my recent video where I revealed my entire portfolio, you'll see that I have around $20,000 in market value invested in TD Bank. They've been paying dividends and increasing their dividends ever since I've held it. Much longer, in fact. TD Bank is currently Canada's second largest bank and is even expanding into the US. They've been around for 164 years and they've been paying dividends consistently for 162 years. More recently, they've increased their dividends for 9 years straight at an average rate of 9.4% increase per year. This is great for dividend growth investors. Keep in mind, this might not be the best for overall growth investors, but for stable, consistent, and increasing dividends, this stock is hard to beat. Especially at today's price, at the time of filming this video, of around $64 and a current yield of around 5%. Many analysts believe this stock will go back to its pre-crash price within 12 months. And then looking past 2021, they're predicting new all-time highs. While the capital appreciation is nice, I won't recommend flipping this stock. This is one of my buy and hold forever stocks. I understand your fear if you're hesitant about financial stocks. The recession hit the financial sector pretty hard. How will the bank cope? What if there are loans and debts that can't be repaid to the bank? What if TD has current receivables that can't be repaid? Thankfully, they've accounted for this already. Taking a look at their most recent financials, Q2 versus Q1, you could see a 200% increase in the provision for credit losses. This means it's already priced in. Any current receivables, if there is any doubt or if there is a higher chance of default, they have to take into this account with this provision. All that being said, I do think any losses are priced in and the stock is a good purchase. The second stock I'm recommending in this video, and it is a common one in any portfolio, is Enbridge. They're responsible for the transport of nearly 25% of all the oil and natural gas between Canada and the US. I've owned this stock for years, but I doubled up when Enbridge hit their recent lows of around $35. Their current yield is around 7%, and the price at the time of filming this video is around $45. Although it's up 25% from the recent lows a few months ago, it's still at a great discount from their all-time highs of $58. But now you're asking, how stable is their dividend? Is it risky to buy? Do they have enough cash to fund their dividends? Not only have they been paying dividends for 65 years straight, they've also been increasing their dividends for 25 years straight. The average increase, taking this directly from the CEO's letter to the shareholders in their recent report, they've averaged an 11% increase over the 25 years. More recently, in 2020, they increased their dividends by 9.8% annually. If you buy one share of Enbridge in 2020, you'll get a dividend of 85 cents a quarter or $3.24 annually. How the company is planning to prep for the rest of 2020? They'll focus on refinancing their existing debt at lower rates, which frees up cash. Speaking of cash, as of May 2020, they have around $12 billion in cash or cash equivalents for any debt maturing, dividend payments, or growth for the company. So how safe are your dividends? For the next year at least, it looks like Enbridge is in great shape. I like reading reports from the CEO and their outlook. I'll include a link to the CEO's letter to the shareholders for reference. That's it for today. I'll be releasing one of these which stocks do I pick every few weeks. Let me know if you like these general overviews or if you want more in-depth stock analysis. I like to make videos in bunches so they all flow together. So I'll do a few weeks of investing, a few weeks on stocks, a few weeks on real estate. In the future, I'm planning on doing a few weeks on retirement and a few weeks on personal finance. So you have those to look forward to as well. Thanks, guys.